This week's story focuses on an extremely rare Ferrari. This 1955 Ghia-bodied Ferrari was built for the Torino Motor Show as an attempt to show Ferrari what they could produce. When Ferrari decided to use another coach builder, this beauty remained as the last car that Ghia ever built with the prancing horse badge and is the only one in existence. Welcome to Double Clutch.
I'm relatively new to the Ferrari restoration game here, 8 or 9 years, and done some really fun projects with both the factory and mostly with Bob Smith and his team. This one, being our most recent project, became a delight for me. It started out, well, Tom, you know, we got this and we got that, and you know, the left door is 5/8 of an inch longer than the right door. And I'm thinking, oh God, everything relates to, this is gonna take forever. And it did. It took an honest 3 years of solid work to make this car what we believe it was when it was new. I'm thrilled with the result. I couldn't have had a better team working on it. I don't know if I'll ever be as excited about a car as I am about how this came out. So thank you to Bob and his team, and we'll see where it takes us when we take it to Pebble Beach and some other shows.
The Pebble Beach Concours is one of the premier car shows around the globe. Let's go see how the 375 fares against some of the best competition in the world.
Well, it's kind of the crescendo, I would say, to 3 hard years of restoration. We saw this car come from rubble, basically, to what you see here today, and we're quite proud of it. And every year Jill and I come to Pebble Beach, we're just excited to be here, to be included with so many wonderful people and so many cars. I like to let Jill dress me so I sort of look like the car, and then I actually think she compliments me, but that's another subject. How do you feel about being here, my love?
It's always excitement for me. Just the people, the conversation, the cars, the outfits. It's a one-of-a-kind event for sure.
Certainly when we were doing the drive on Thursday, you see so many amazing automobiles. And you think, it's so great to be included with all these other cars and their owners, because they're really terrific people. And they're passionate about mostly petroleum-fueled automobiles, which we hate to see go to the wayside. Jill made a statement to me the other day, I'll never own an electric car. And I think that's pretty true.
This is the Mercedes-Benz Ferrari 2024 Pebble Beach Concours.
Wait, where's Bob?
Bobby Smith.
I'm gonna give you a hug. Oh my, no, it's just unbelievable. Unbelievable. Congratulations. That's unbelievable.
Here we go. We just won our class at Pebble Beach. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. So we're ecstatic. Jill kept telling me, you got this, baby, you got this. So we're delighted. We're even in a contention for best of show, which doesn't happen with Ferraris or post-war cars, but that's okay. We got this far and we couldn't be happier.
Yeah, feeling super thankful and blessed. I mean, there's no words that can describe it. You can't. Like, you get chills when the other 2 cars go up and you know, and you just, it's crazy.
Yes, we're ecstatic.
Make sure to come back next week for another great car story.